kitty.
Look at the phone.
Ah! You little rat. Come here, you little rat. Ah! Look at this cute little face. Ow! Isn't it so evil? Look at her sister. That's where she get it from.
Very funny.
Look, they both are evil.
Shut up.
I'm the only nice one.
Listen to my text tone. It's so cool. I love this song.
Ow!
Ready? Ready? U-G-L-Y, you ain't got no alibi, so why you constantly up in my mix? U-G-L-Y, but find yourself another guy, 'cause you can possibly own this. Guess the song is text message.
Ow! Dumb cat.
I'm gonna sing Firework for you right now. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show your work. Make them come as you shoot across the sky. Okay, ready? I close my eyes and I can see a better day. I close my eyes, she's my Latin girl. Oh, she tries to fight it, but she knows she likes it.
Alright, go kitty, hey, lick the kitty's butt.
Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. That's from Punky and Beauty Love.
Make sure you love kitties.